Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be unboxing and going over a quick hardware overview of the QuietComfort 35-2, the gaming headset version. So the QuietComfort 35s, the second edition, have been out for quite a while now. I'd probably say a couple years. And recently, as of a couple months, Bose actually released a gaming version of this headset. So what does gaming version of this headset mean? Well, as you guys can see right there, we've got a boom mic or a headset mic, whatever you want to call that. And I really enjoyed them. These are actually one of the more popular headsets to own. All right, so what I want to do is I just want to quickly unbox this, show you guys what we're dealing with in terms of the gaming functionality. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, guys. I will be doing a full review of this. I'm trying to get some audio for you guys of the actual mic itself. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you guys want me to focus on, whether that's audio, whether that's noise cancellation, whatnot. I mostly plan on using this with my Xbox Series X, and then of course some PC gaming as well. Eventually, if I can get a hold of the PS5, I will try with that as well. But my whole goal, my whole idea for even getting these is that why not get a 2-in-1? Most people who get a headset, a pair of headphones to listen to music, watch videos, commute to work, lounge around the house in, are going to be using a different pair of headphones for gaming. Now, I know that those that are here for gaming particularly, you guys demand and expect a certain type of audio fidelity that's going to allow you to have that extra level when you're playing. I get it. So will these headphones do that? Will this headset do that? I don't know. We'll find out. But if you ignore the gaming aspect, which is basically just the microphone, these are arguably still to this day top 5, easily top 10 pair of headphones you can buy. Alright, so enough rambling. Let me go ahead and unbox this. And again, feel free to subscribe, guys. Please, it helps the channel immensely. So first off, what does Bose have to say to us? These retail for $329 US, I believe. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find these on Amazon, which is where I bought them. Feel free to check them out there as well. So right off the bat, you got a nice carrying case as well. Okay, so you don't get that with most gaming headsets. I mean, I use a Corsair Virtuoso, I believe is what it's called. I'll leave those in the description as well. Those cost me $199, and I would never take those with me anywhere to listen to music, watch movies, etc. Too thick, too big, too bulky, too uncomfortable. But I mostly use them because it has a microphone. So let's take a look at these. If you guys have never actually held a pair of QuietComforts, they are so light, so light. Right, left cups, mesh band up top. Let's look at the buttons, guys. On the right side of the cup, you've got your media controls, your pause, your forward, your back, actual tactile buttons. You've got a micro USB to charge and plug into the computer. I really wish that this was USB-C. I wish that Bose had updated these actual hardware-wise and offered USB-C, but on the left cup, I believe this is going to be your voice assistant button, maybe noise control, and then your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there. Okay, and that's it in terms of pair, and then they fold. Okay, so let's put that aside. 3.5 millimeter cable, one more micro USB to the collection. Now we have the actual gaming portion. Alright, so it says start here. I'm assuming this is going to show us how to plug stuff in. So it says, note, when the microphone is connected, Bluetooth is disabled and a Bose Connect app cannot find your headset. So, okay. So if you're using the microphone, you're not connecting via Bluetooth. Now, here's your two big differences. If you're connecting to a PC, you connect the PC desktop controller to a USB port on your PC, and then you connect the microphone cable to the 3.5mm port on the controller. So you're doing micro USB to the accessory, and then 3.5mm to the headset from what it looks like. And if you're doing a console, okay, so in my case Xbox Series X, you're going to be connecting the microphone cable to your gaming system controller. I believe that the Xbox controllers, these have a 3.5mm port at the bottom, and so should the PS5. And that's pretty straightforward there. Control audio when gaming. You can turn on noise cancellation. On the right ear cup, slide the power switch to the right, and then you can still use a headset for gaming when noise cancellation is off. Now, use the PC desktop controller. So this feature right here for all you PC gamers is really cool. I'm going to show you that accessory here in a second. So you actually have this dial that you can put on your desk. That's going to allow you to turn the controller to increase or decrease the volume. And then you have a switch that's your mic monitoring switch. Now that mic monitoring controls how much of your own voice you hear while using the headset. So that's a pretty cool feature right there, especially if you guys are streaming, making videos straight to YouTube through the PC, so forth and so on. So you have a low, a medium, a high, and an off. All right. So that's pretty cool there. And then of course you can use this as a standard Bluetooth headset. So that's got some weight to it. So this is the dial, as you guys can see here, USB right to the computer, and a turn wheel. Pretty sweet. Good quality. Got some nice heft to it. It's got some rubber feet here. This is going to be the button that's going to allow you to do off, low, medium, high in terms of audio monitoring. And there's the 3.5mm that goes right to the headset. So then you've got the microphone itself. Different color tip, so what you're going to be connecting to speak into. This is the portion that connects to the headset, and then of course the extra length in your 3.5mm cable. So let me plug this in real quick. So you basically follow the groove, pretty straightforward. Plugs in there. Snaps right into place. There's really not much give, and that's gonna go on the left hand side, as you guys can see there. Okay, and there you have it. Go ahead and look at the rest of the cable. Then you've got this right here, which should be your mute if it's in red, or unmute. I wish it was more of a push button, but it'll do. Anywho, guys, if there's anything you want me to focus on, please let me know. Like I said, these are the Bose QuietComfort 35 2s. This is the gaming edition. Like always, don't forget to stay geeky. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios, peace, salute, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.